Hey there, it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and we are back. We took a week off last week for traveling, but we are here, and I'm going to show you our basement family room and new sectional, which I'm obsessed with, so stay tuned. While you are here, we'd love to have you like and subscribe to our channel, hit that bell for notifications. If you haven't seen the rest of our home, you can check out recent videos to kind of see those reveals. We're sharing space by space as we get it done. And today, this is a really, really exciting space. I think this one and next week's too. This is the main areas of our basement living, and we love these spaces. I love that we have a basement. We haven't had one for the last 3 years. So this is really a space to relax and just like be comfortable, which was why I really wanted to find the perfect sectional that would be family friendly and all the things. And from the reviews I've read, it's also very pet friendly. So this is from 7th Avenue. If you're not familiar, they have gorgeous pieces. This is like a lookalike to the Restoration Hardware Cloud sofa and sectional, which I love. So I was super excited to find this. I partnered up with them to share this with you, and I just am so impressed. And you can check out the reviews too. So this is the 8-piece closed pit sectional. And what's cool is we have 2 ottoman pieces that go in the middle. There's one here right now, but I'm gonna show you how it looks with 2 as well. Love that because for like movie watching and lounging, gaming, whatever, just so comfortable. But then you also, could just have one if you want something with a little more space to walk around, or none if you want to put a coffee table. Just really, really flexible. They're modular, so you can customize to your space. And this is the oatmeal beige. I love this fabric, and their fabrics are performance fabrics. So just so worth the investment with these because the durability is amazing. They have fully removable covers on every single piece, even like the arms. So you can remove and wash. But I have found, and what I also read in reviews from other people too, take like a baby wipe and most things will just come out. Or if you want to get a damp cloth with a little bit of soap, they just clean so well that you won't even likely need to remove the covers, but it's cool to have that option for sure. I think it's really hard to check all the boxes, to get a light color, to get something that has the right style, this high-end style, as well as like removable and just durable. And anyway, it checked all the boxes. And I know everybody's looking for different stuff, but they've got some really, really amazing pieces and fabric options in this that are gonna be game changer for family life and just keeping a lighter colored sectional looking gorgeous. This one too, the pieces click together, so they're not gonna like be shifting and moving, which is really nice. And then just obviously the comfort is great. As you see, it's just very loungy. And I put a few pillows on here. It comes with some pillows as well, just the simple ones that match this. If you aren't like a throw pillow person and you want just a couple, they have those, or you can do none. It's just such a beautiful, clean look. I'm actually still figuring out my styling down here because I'm kind of burned out. You'll see this. I'm gonna get everything together by the time I do the full walkthrough, but like it has been so hard to style things because I'm like burned out and we've been traveling, which I love, but like I am not on my game, and it's like an art form, styling. So it's coming along, but I just am saying, give me grace because it's probably not in final state as we go through the house. This rug too, we should talk about. I love this with the sectional. This is from my new collection, and this is also so durable. This is a washable rug, so spill resistant, just like the sectional. By the way, this is water repellent. And then the rug, you can actually put in the machine, like it could go in the washing machine. So this is the Naples rug, and then I've got 3 others in this initial launch, and they're such a good price and so affordable, durable. Love these colors. This is like a really good one for fall too. It's got that warm, rich tones, a little bit of like a tan with the olive green, those kind of a slate blue, gray tone with the browns, and sorry, I'm getting a little carried away with colors, but the little bit of rust color even in it. So loving that in here. And then we're just kind of like, I don't know, I should preface, it's not like we have to have every single space done right away. Like I like the idea of spaces evolving as we live in them and seeing things that you want to, you know, bring into that space. That's a good thing to let it kind of evolve with you guys. So all the links for these products, by the way, are in the description of the video, so you can get those. This is an investment piece, but like it is so solid. You can see kind of like the scale of it too. So worth, I think, the longevity of it. You don't have to worry about stains and things like that. So pillows, by the way, I'm trying some pillows. I love these. These are from the new Beddy's line that I shared with you recently. And then like, this is stuff I'm like, I don't know if I want to leave this table here. I'm still deciding. It's just, that's what I'm saying. Just kind of some randomness happening, but that's okay. This is a kind of a cool piece that we found in our travels and we're able to have shipped here. So I love that. The carved detail. I will link similar because I did find, I think it was on Wayfair, something quite similar to this. This is an antique piece, but there's some pretty good like replicas out there. And I love obviously the length of this. We have a big TV here at Ben's request. And this kind of helps balance out so it doesn't feel like it's just a TV wall. We have like some beauty to accent it. So moving right along, I think that kind of, actually there's not a ton of stuff in here. We do have our little like, over on this side, our little play area under the stairs, which I guess is technically part of this space. It's kind of fun for the kids. I'll give you a peek in there really quick. I did do, you probably saw too, this little bench here, another antique piece on the back of the sofa. Just, it's kind of deciding if it wants to live there. We'll get some lights on. Do I have light here? Is it in here? Oh. Kind of windy because the air return is in here, so it's like a little bit of a wind tunnel. But made this cute gate with the fluted detail. This matches our dining room bench that I'm going to show you next week. Kind of customized and fun. And then, yeah, just a little arch. I can actually stand in here even with my shoes on, so that's impressive. That's the joys of being short. And we did this little mural, and these are kind of like little like mushroom seeds. So it's a little bit whimsical in here. The kids love it because it's just like a little space for them that would, you know, otherwise just be storage under the stairs. But I love this little spot. So theater doors, by the way, we've shared the home theater. That's right here. And these doors are the pavestone, the Sherwin-Williams pavestone. So that kind of gives you a little rundown. I'll ask your opinion on this. I'm either gonna we have like a really cool hanging chair that I'm thinking of doing right here. It's kind of a rattan, like cool hanging chair. Or I could do big art here. So maybe like 2 big art pieces or the hanging chair. What would you pick? I'm curious. Leave that in comments. Let me know what y'all think. And seriously, check out the sectional and rug. Definitely some of the like best pieces I found. So, alrighty, we will see you next week for the tour of the basement kitchen and dining room. That's another favorite, and I cannot wait to show you. We'll see you next week.